Hello there. Today's video is on HTML, well, on CSS. So I've got this page with a paragraph, and that paragraph stuck inside of a div. Here it is in Sublime. So we're going to mess with this guy a bit. Let's go ahead and put a div CSS in here, and we're going to put a max width of 200 pixels and a max height 200 pixels and oh wait, let's type that properly this time. There we go. And then put a border on it as well, so we can see it. Border of 10 pixels, solid black. Save that. Refresh. There we go. That's got a solid border. It's 200 pixels by 200 pixels, solid black border around it, and you can see the paragraph pokes out of the bottom of it, and that's kind of because we didn't really tell Firefox what to do with the paragraph, and it just kind of decided on its own. So let's go ahead and put a paragraph CSS as well. P min width, actually, yeah, minimum width of 400 pixels. We'll save that. There we go. It pokes out to the side. Let's make it a little shorter. Max height of 100 and max width of 100. Save that, refresh. There we go. So now it pokes out the side and the bottom. So that's lovely. Hopefully at this point you would redesign your page to actually, make it fit in a div, or make the div a reasonable size so it'll hold all your contents. This is probably like an image or something you stuck in there, or whatever. But just in case you need it, there's a CSS property called overflow, and overflow will actually give you the option to decide what to do with that content. So let's do a hidden, and voila, you don't get to see it. If it pokes outside the div, then you don't get to see it. There's auto, which lets the browser decide what to do with it. In this case, it's actually doing a scroll option. So scroll is an option that you can do, and it'll allow you to scroll inside the div. There's the scroll option, there's the hidden and auto and visible, which means, make it visible even if it sticks outside of whatever it's in. And remember, you put this on the item that contains the content, not the content itself. So the overflow is also available as overflow X, which will save that and refresh. But Firefox is just going to determine it just as overflow. There's also an overflow Y with the same options. Firefox is going to treat it the exact same way. So you might as well just use the overflow, and hopefully you redesign your page to do it properly. But let's go over those options again. Hidden means don't show anything. Scroll means show scroll bars. Auto will just let the browser decide what to do with it. The same way with visible means show it, and that's it. Or if you just left it blank, the browser will decide what to do with it if you don't put anything at all. So that's the overflow CSS property, and hopefully you don't have to use this, but if you need to, there it is. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?